Hello guys, this is Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. We are in my kitchen today because I want to cook a traditional Filipino soup called bulalo. But I'm going to use pork knuckle or pork knuckles instead of cow knuckles because I don't eat beef or cow's meat, but I drink milk or I also eat cheese. But anyway, let's continue. So actually guys, these pork knuckles have skin, but I removed those skins so that it will
So anyway,
reduce
this
the
pot is a little
fat
bit small,
of
but
our
I'm
soup.
going to use this because this is a
So
pressure
that's
cooker.
1 liter of water.
I want to.
What's in here are
I don't
onions
want to
and
pressurize
peppercorns,
it,
also
but
salted.
I
It's already in here.
want to slow cook.
And what I'm
in
going to
the
do is
pressure
boil
cooker.
this,
So
and then
what I
whenever
have
it boils,
there is
you know, if you
whole peppercorns, onions,
always cook,
and so
then there
so
are
I'm
bubbles
just gonna
and
boil that, and then
brown
when
thing
the
that comes out from the
bubbles
meat
comes
or
out, then
from the bones,
I must
and
clean
then
that, and
I'm going to
so
scrape that
it
later.
will be like that.
So for now,
Wish me luck with my pork bulalo.
oh, by the way, maybe you noticed that the pot is too small for it. I'm going to transfer it later. So now I'm going to turn on the stove and boil these knuckles. Now it's boiling, and this is what I've told you a while ago.
I don't know what do you call this
There's
one,
bubbles
blood,
and brown thing. I believe these are the blood that comes out from
so
the meat,
that our
and
soup
it's
will
cooked. That's why
clear.
the color becomes brown. So yeah, I'm sorry guys for my English because yeah, you know, I speak German every day here at home, and sometimes it's not easy to
But anyway,
translate
I want to wash.
from German to English. I must think of my Filipino language to speak English. It's easier. Yeah, I'm removing all those brown thing and
Close.
until it become tender. So now, while waiting, I have here 2 corns. This is sweet corn because we don't have other kind of corn here in Germany. But these corns are not from Germany, but they are from Morocco or sometimes from Spain. Yeah, but it's still okay. So now I'm going to divide this corn cobs. Oh, it's hard guys. It's hard even though the corn are not yet so
Washing.
and then washing. I still have here another ingredient. This is a African cooked banana or plantain. And yeah, this is not cheap banana. It's a little bit expensive. I think one of this cost like €2, so it's not really cheap. But anyway, I like to imitate that bulalo thing. So here they are, waiting for the knuckles to cook. And yeah, the soup will become sweet, a little bit sweet because of the corn. And yeah,
So guys, transferred
now
it in a bigger
here it
pot.
is. I transferred the meat
So,
or the soup in a bigger pot,
There's more
and
space
already
for
put the corns here
other things, or for the
and the
vegetables.
bananas,
So there's the banana and the corn.
slices.
Mm.
Yeah, and then
So,
I'm going to cook the corns and the
Anyway,
banana
guys,
again, maybe about
if
20 to 25 minutes.
you watch this, if you're not
And at the end, I'm going to put the greens. So after 20 minutes, guys,
So guys, my
I have
bulalo
here
is
bok choy
almost
or
finished.
pak choy.
I'm
In the
going to
Philippines, we
put
call
this
it
bok choy
pet chai.
there.
And yeah,
Oh, it's delicious, guys.
I'm going to put it
My
like
bulalo
that.
pork. There.
It looks yummy. And I tasted the soup already, guys. It's a little bit sweet because of the corn. I also tasted the banana, the African banana, and it's a little bit, there's a little bit sour taste in it, unlike the Filipino or Asian cooked bananas. This is a little bit sour, but it's okay. Yeah. So just submerge all the greens, and then
Going to
I'm
close it
going
and
to cover it
turn off.
and turn the stove off.
So
I'm going to wait
Going to
another 5
till
minutes,
the bok choy
and yeah, before
cooked.
I serve it to myself. Yeah, here it is. As you can see, it looks yummy already, guys. I can't wait. I can't wait to eat. But of course, the presentation first before eating. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like my video. Yeah, if you have some questions, I know if you are not Filipino, maybe you have some questions, then please don't hesitate to write on the comment below, and I'm going to answer all your comments. Yeah, again, oh, by the way, shout out to all of Filipinos, to my kababayans in Abra, my relatives, my cousins, and all, and my friends here in YouTube. You know who you are, guys. Thank you very much for always supporting my videos or my channel. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you all again. This is Lauren, and take care, everyone. Love ya.